Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on a GMC Acadia. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This allows you to access the necessary menus. Next, locate the steering wheel controls, typically on the right side, to interact with your driver information center. Use these buttons to scroll through the available options until you find the oil life display. This is your starting point for the reset process. Once you've reached the oil life display, the next step is straightforward. Find the Set/Clear button, usually part of the steering wheel controls or on the dashboard. Press and hold this button firmly for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will see the oil life percentage begin to flash, indicating it's ready to reset. Keep holding until the display shows 100%, confirming the reset is successful. After releasing the button, double-check that your oil life display now clearly shows 100%. This confirms the reset has taken effect. To finalize the process and save this new setting, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Wait a few moments, then restart the engine. This ensures the system has properly registered the change, and the oil life monitor will accurately track your next service interval. Remember, it's crucial to only reset your oil life monitor after you've actually performed an oil change. Resetting it without changing the oil can lead to premature engine wear. Always refer to your GMC Acadia's owner's manual for any model-specific variations or additional instructions. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help keep you organized and on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.